We are at Norgren stall at Hall 4. Uh, you know, Norgren is debuting its revolutionary work holding systems in India through this IMTEX 2023. Norgren ADAPTIX by Norgren is based out of US, and these work holding systems are designed by machinists for machinists. Today, we are going to be joined by Sri Kulvinder Singh Rathor, who is the Managing Director of IMI Norgren in India. Hello, sir.
Hi, Harishankar. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Thank you.
So, this is the first time IMI Norgren is participating in IMTEX. If I am right.
No, we have participated in past also,
Okay.
long time back.
Okay.
Because when we were entering for the first time in machine tool industry, we participated that time. So yeah,
But
this is
ADAPTIX is getting debuted here.
ADAPTIX is a very new entrant into our innovation pipeline, I would say.
Okay.
So up till now, we were known for our innovative pneumatics and industrial automation product. But now ADAPTIX is one thing which we have created as an innovation to serve and solve machine tool industry's biggest problem. So why I'm so passionate about it, because I came from the similar background where I was facing these problems of doing changeovers in machine tool. In the morning we are doing a setup, in the evening we are doing another setup, and we were always wasting almost around 1 hour to set it up in the machine. But with this innovation, this problem is completely eliminated. There's no need for a setup. Just install it once on the machine, it's done. So this is why we have actually come up this time. Otherwise, Norgren has huge product pipeline or huge product range, which actually goes in machine too. But we decided that no, we
Okay.
would only focus on ADAPTIX this time. Only
Okay.
ADAPTIX.
Okay. So that is, when we were talking to the ADAPTIX by Norgren team, and they were telling that this is the first time they are coming to debuting in IMTEX, and I thought, this is the first time Norgren is coming. But Norgren is such a big company with
Yes.
a lot of wide range of solutions
Yes,
for the
absolutely.
machine tool industry.
Absolutely. Norgren is part of IMI PLC. IMI
Okay.
is globally almost 2 billion pounds company, and we have three business verticals, business divisions, I would say. One is called precision engineering, second one is called critical engineering, third is hydronics engineering. And Norgren is one part of precision engineering.
Okay.
So we have many different product lines and all. So yeah, since machine tool industry know us very well,
Okay.
we are suppliers of huge priority panels to them. Our pneumatic solutions really are considered as global and world class in nature, and we are generally known for our technology leadership in machine tool industry. So yeah, so it is the first time we are here with ADAPTIX.
So that's what I'm telling. It is a very focused approach, very strategic approach. Because many times we see a company who is even wants to put up a stall focusfully, but then they put up somewhere. But here it is very focused. You are talking about Adaptix, and I'm sure this product is such revolutionary, and it can help many people in the Indian manufacturing.
I'm not sure whether you have discussed with Vipin about the product. I've myself seen the customers and anxiousness about how it is really helping us now. So I think if you really go and understand over there with Vipin, he will tell you how this product is solving industry's biggest problem. Vipin, why don't we explain this?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll explain about
Yeah.
this.
Anyway, thank you very much for your time, sir. And we will meet again to know more about Adaptix, Norgren, and IMI. Thank you very much for your time. Yeah.
So, Hari, here we have ADAPTIX Live. So, you can experience here the revolutionary technology in.
Just before going that, I
Yeah.
need to understand. See, first of all, I am not a technical person, right?
Okay.
So, what I am trying to understand from you is that in the machine, there is the bed, right?
Yeah.
Top of that, the work holding system puts, and there the work is kept.
Yes.
So there is magnetic, there is magnetic work holding and different work holding I've seen.
Correct. Correct.
Why it is different? So even Batras are also telling that this is revolutionary, that setup time can be completely saved. So So I just want to, before you demonstrate, why this is different.
This is basically different in the technology, the time it saves, because during the clamping, during any kind of new workpiece, if you have, customer demand is customer will give you the job today, and he always asks you to deliver it yesterday.
Yes.
So that is the first demand comes in, and that is how the importance of this new technology comes into the place, because this is the technology where you can just pick and place any shape within a minute. Where compared to that, if you have something others, you need to create a fixture, you need to design it, you need to manufacture it, and then only you can clamp into the machine.
You don't need anything.
I don't need anything.
And any work can come into this. You don't
Any
have to-
shape,
any shape.
It can pick any shape at that moment.
So it's a capex
It's a capex.
purchased for once
Yes,
and used for many times.
many times.
That is the beauty of ADAPTIX.
That is the beauty of
And then
it.
let's start the.
I'll show you the demo. So in case, if I would say, if you see from a layman point of view, this is the simple voice which you might have seen
Yeah,
everywhere.
voice I have seen, yeah.
This is voice. So this has become voice. It can hold this kind of component.
Okay.
And means in case of voice.
Okay. Yeah.
In
true.
case of
true.
voice.
True.
But if you have this kind of component, how will you hold it? You need to generate the fixture, you need to hold the cavity, and then only you will be able to hold this kind of part. But here, I can hold it within 1 second. If you can hold my mic.
Yeah, I will.
Thank you.
Yeah, please.
So, you just count how many seconds I have taken to hold this. I need to make the shape, and to hold the shape, I need
Okay.
to torque it down to 88 Newton meter from here and from this side as well. 88 Newton meter. That is how I intacted the shape that it should look like in same way. Then I can
Yeah, there
pitch
is
it
a lever here.
There is a lever here. I can just push it down. Now it is ready for machining. Suppose I have 50 numbers of this kind of part. I just pick and place it everywhere. You need not to change your X, Y, G coordinate system, and it is always repeatable. So I would like to add here, this is the fantastic revolution in work holding, which can replace your existing work holding time within a minute, where you are spending lot of time on designing the fixture, manufacturing the fixture, and finally getting into the shape.
Vipin, I was there in many interviews or many lives. It is very normal, Means we know the technology, maybe, we talk.
Yeah.
And I only knew till now Norgren as a work holding technology. They are work holding, but this is amazing.
Yes.
So
This is a revolution.
I am dumbstruck. I am dumbstruck. So easy. You are making life easier.
Yes,
Now
yes.
tell me one thing. Is it a patented technology?
It is patented, yes. It is patented from Norgren. We have developed it in UK. We have our manufacturing facility in US, in Michigan. We have two manufacturing facility. So we are producing there. We have factory here in Noida where we are doing all the assembly and rest of other maintenance. I am sitting there available for you all. Please come and experience the revolutionary technology in world holding.
Now you are exhibiting this particular thing in the last couple of days. I came once before 2 days, and I've seen many people standing here. So maybe people will be surprised to see that this is
Yeah.
so fast. So what was the response you are getting here?
I would say just to, it is like funny one. I took some hundreds of numbers of my cards, but I estimated it wrong. So I got it printed twice.
Oh.
So that is kind of
Response you're
exploded response I have got.
and I wish, because this is definitely revolutionary, and I'm sure this will help many manufacturing companies. A voice
It's-
with no limitations. I must say.
Yes. And that is why we call it as ADAPTIX. It can adapt
Adapt
any shape.
But you see, when we talk about Wise, people understand Wise. Adaptix is the brand. That's what I'm telling. This is a Wise with a Wise, wisdom.
Wise with the wise. Yes.
This is a Wise with wisdom. Wise.
Yeah.
So, thank you very much for introducing this revolutionary product to the Indian manufacturing. I'm sure many people are going to save a lot of time. Manpower,
Absolutely.
saving of manpower, time.
Finally cutting lot of cost.
Anyone can come and do this.
Anyone.
And I'm sure the value which is going to be given by this product is going to be marvelous.
Yes.
Because you don't have to make fixtures and fixtures and fixtures. You don't have to get troubled. You have a vice. You cannot do complex machining. Everything can be done through this vice ADAPTIX by Norgren. Thank you for your time, and we wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.